is possible to insert saved circuits to your drawing. The Insert Saved Circuit tool is located in the Insert Components panel, and from the Insert Circuit drop-down, you can select it. The saved user circuits are displayed in this dialog box, and you can choose each one that you want to add to your drawing. I'm going to choose one of them. Then a new window will be opened which contains the scale. Here you can select OK, and then you have to specify the insertion point to place this circuit. It is possible to move your circuit. To do that, in the Edit Components panel, from the Circuit drop-down, select Move Circuits. Then you have to select the objects, and in this step, you can select them one by one or just create a new window which contains desired parts of your circuit. Note that in this step, and after selecting objects, you need to right-click on the screen. Then, as you see in the command line, it is needed to specify base point for moving. As you know, the base point is the center of moving, and you can choose it at your desired point. Select the base point, then you need to choose the second point to move your circuit. Sometimes you need to create a copy of your current circuit. So to do that, from the Edit Components panel, Circuits drop-down, choose Copy Circuit. So as it is mentioned in the command line, you have to select the objects to copy them. I'm going to do that and create a window which contains my desired circuit. Then I have to right-click on the screen, and in this step, I have to choose the base point. Here you can see the copied circuit, and then by placing the copied circuit at a desired location or by clicking at a point, it can be done. You can place several copied circuits at your desired location, and the command will be terminated when you press Escape button. Note that the copied components get retagged according to the reference of the specified location automatically.